Now that the booking process is complete, let's review the information we have up to this point. From the Concur homepage, we can see in the white bar at the top that there is one authorization request and one available expense. Under the My Tasks section, we can see those in more detail. To review the Southwest expense, we can either select Expense at the top in the black bar, Available Expenses in this white bar, or simply just select the Southwest expense itself. Note that we are now in the Expense module by the blue highlight over the expense in the black bar at the top. In the middle of the screen is the section Available Expenses. Anything under Available Expenses or Available Receipts will need to be moved to an expense report. In the next course, we'll cover creating and completing an expense report. Review the detail: the vendor name, Southwest Airlines, the expense type, airfare, the transaction date, May 20th, and the amount, $257.96. Place the mouse over the blue circle icon that looks like a rectangle with a lightning bolt. This icon denotes an electronic receipt. You can see the purchase details on the receipt. Place the mouse over the blue circle icon with the airplane. This icon denotes a travel itinerary. Checking the box to the left of the expense will make some blue action buttons appear. The options are to move the expense to a new or already created report, unmatch the e-receipt in the flight itinerary, or delete. The only time you would want to unmatch an e-receipt in itinerary is if there were a no-charge flight change and you had received a new itinerary. We'll leave this expense as it is right now and attach it to an expense report in the next course. Select the SAP Concur logo in the top left to return to the home page. We've reviewed the flight information. Let's look at the request status. To review the request, you can select Requests from the black bar at the top, Authorization Requests from the white bar, or simply select the ABC 123 conference, listed under My Tasks, Open Requests. Notice that the status is approved and the available action is to create expense report. To look at this from a list view, select Manage Requests at the top in the white bar. The status column shows approved, and the available action is expense. We can now create an expense report.